Let's start off by installing Visual Studio Code from the Windows platform. So you just need to type in Visual Studio Code on Google. Let me just show you how. Just one. I'm in Chrome. You just type in Visual Studio Code. The first link which should pop up. It's a lightweight, less than 100 MB application. So very handy and for lots of purposes, which we'll see in the series below. But let's get started. So you have an insiders build and a stable. Insiders, let me start the installation and I can talk about it while that's happening. So the insiders build is more recent features, more enhancements, but it's usually not so well tested. So you usually want to go with a stable version, but the insider will give you more features, but it can have more bugs. So it's a trade-off there. Anyway, I've got the stable version. It'll give you the exe file. Say next, accept the agreement. This is the default location. I don't mind it, but you can select whatever location you want for the installation. If you want the shortcut, this just says to select all the tasks you would like to set up, which you would like. So I would like the desktop application, right? You can choose to add it to the path if you wish. I don't really have the others selected. You can if you want though. Add open code, action to Windows Explorer, just like a few toggleable options, but I just want the desktop icon. Say install. Shouldn't take too long. Seems like we're done. Say finish. And I can see I've got Visual Studio Code over here. And I can see it coming up on my desktop as well. There you go. And then let's get into working with it.